The luxury truck world is experiencing a revolution. Not a refresh, not a facelift, a full-scale, ground-shaking reset. And at the center of this shocking transformation stands the 2026 GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate, a beast wrapped in tailored luxury, engineered to challenge everything we thought a premium pickup could be. This isn't just a truck anymore. It's a statement, a rolling declaration that the future of luxury doesn't whisper, it dominates. For decades, trucks were about brute force, power first, comfort later. But the Sierra Denali Ultimate flips that philosophy on its head. What happens when handcrafted materials collide with heavy-duty engineering? What happens when luxury stops being fragile and becomes unstoppable? Today, we're diving deep into the truck that's redefining the segment. This is the 2026 GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate, and rivals should be very, very nervous. The first thing you notice isn't size, it's presence. The 2026 Sierra Denali Ultimate doesn't just arrive, it announces itself. Every line, every surface, every detail is intentional, sculpted to project confidence without shouting. Up front, the signature Vader chrome grille returns, darker, deeper, and more refined. It absorbs light instead of reflecting it, giving the truck an almost stealth-like elegance. The grille is massive, but never excessive, framed by precision-cut LED lighting that feels more high-fashion than heavy industry. The headlights slice through the night with surgical clarity. Animated light signatures welcome you as you approach, reminding you that this is not a work truck pretending to be premium. This is luxury designed from the ground up. The body proportions are bold yet balanced. Strong shoulder lines flow seamlessly from front to rear, emphasizing the Sierra's width and planted stance. Flush surfaces improve aerodynamics, while subtle chrome accents highlight craftsmanship rather than excess. Denali Ultimate exclusive 22-inch machined wheels sit perfectly within muscular arches. They don't scream for attention, they earn it. And paired with adaptive air suspension, the truck maintains a poised, level stance whether parked curbside or towing up a mountain grade. Even the bed gets the luxury treatment. The Multi-Pro tailgate returns, now enhanced with powered functions, integrated speakers, and improved step access. This is utility refined, not compromised. Every angle tells the same story. Strength, sophistication, and a quiet confidence that doesn't need to prove itself. Step inside the 2026 Sierra Denali Ultimate, and the outside world fades away. This cabin doesn't feel like a truck interior. It feels like a private lounge built around a command center. Open-pore Paul Dow wood trim flows across the dash, doors, and center console, matched with full-grain alpine umber leather that's hand-stitched with obsessive detail. The seats are sculpted, heated, ventilated, and massaging, front and rear, transforming long drives into first-class experiences. This isn't luxury for show. It's luxury you feel with every mile. At the heart of the cockpit is a massive 16.8-inch vertical infotainment display. Bright, responsive, and beautifully integrated, it controls navigation, media, vehicle settings, trailering data, and off-road systems with ease. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, while built-in Google services deliver real-time traffic, voice commands, and seamless app integration. Above it, a fully digital 12.3-inch driver display adapts to your driving mode. Tow mode prioritizes trailering data. Off-road mode highlights pitch, roll, and terrain information. Luxury mode simplifies everything, letting the truck fade into the background while comfort takes over. A 15-inch head-up display projects speed, navigation, and safety alerts directly onto the windshield. Your eyes stay forward. Your awareness stays sharp. And then there's sound. The 12-speaker Bose premium audio system doesn't just fill the cabin, it envelopes it. Deep bass, crystal highs, studio-grade clarity whether you're cruising downtown or crossing state lines. Ambient lighting subtly adjusts with drive modes and time of day, reinforcing the sense that this truck understands your environment and your mood. This isn't technology for technology's sake. It's a digital ecosystem designed to serve, not distract. Luxury means nothing without capability, and the Sierra Denali Ultimate delivers power with intelligence. Under the hood, buyers can choose between two commanding powertrains. First is the legendary 6.2-liter V8, producing 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. It roars when pushed, but remains eerily composed at cruising speeds. Cylinder deactivation and advanced thermal management keep efficiency respectable without dulling performance. Then there's the Duramax 3.0-liter turbo diesel, the sleeper star of the lineup. With 305 horsepower and a staggering 495 pound-feet of torque, it delivers effortless acceleration, incredible towing confidence, and highway efficiency that rivals mid-size SUVs. Both engines are paired with a refined 10-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoothly, predictively, and intelligently. No hunting, no hesitation, just seamless delivery. Adaptive air suspension transforms the Sierra's personality at the push of a button. Lowered on the highway for efficiency and comfort. Raised off-road for clearance and confidence. Leveled under load to maintain balance while towing. Speaking of towing, the Denali Ultimate doesn't flinch. With available towing capacity exceeding 13,000 pounds, integrated trailer cameras, transparent trailer view, and hands-free hitch guidance, this truck makes heavy loads feel lighter. Acceleration feels confident, not aggressive. Steering is precise, weighted just right. Braking is strong, progressive, and reassuring. This isn't a truck that demands attention. It earns trust. The 2026 Sierra Denali Ultimate is packed with intelligence designed to protect without intruding. GMC Pro Safety Plus comes standard, including automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, pedestrian detection, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. These systems work quietly in the background, stepping in only when needed. Blind zone steering assist gently nudges the wheel away from unseen hazards. Rear cross-traffic braking adds another layer of protection in busy environments. And enhanced night vision systems help detect pedestrians and animals beyond headlight range. One of the most impressive innovations remains Super Cruise. On compatible highways, the Sierra can drive hands-free, even while towing. It's not a gimmick. It's the future of long-distance comfort. Advanced cameras offer up to 14 different views, including bed, hitch, and trailer angles. Parking, maneuvering, and trailering become intuitive instead of stressful. High-strength steel and reinforced crash structures form a rigid safety cell, while airbags surround occupants from every angle. This truck doesn't just feel safe. It is safe. The luxury truck market is crowded. Ford has the Platinum. Ram has the Limited. But the Sierra Denali Ultimate plays a different game. It doesn't chase flash. It delivers refinement. With expected pricing starting around the mid-$80,000 range and climbing with options, the Denali Ultimate positions itself as a true flagship, not just within GMC, but across the entire truck segment. What sets it apart isn't one feature. It's the balance. Power without brutality. Luxury without fragility. Technology without overwhelm. This is the truck for buyers who want it all and refuse to compromise. The 2026 GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate isn't trying to be the loudest truck on the road. It doesn't need to. It's confident. It's composed. and it redefines what luxury means in a world that demands both comfort and capability. This is a truck that can tow on Friday, commute in silence on Monday, and arrive at a black tie event without apology. It doesn't follow trends. It sets them. The future of luxury trucks isn't electric versus gas. It's intelligence versus excess. And the Sierra Denali Ultimate gets it exactly right. Don't forget to subscribe to Motor Vault for more cinematic AI reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow, today. And now we want to hear from you. Which feature impressed you most? Let us know in the comments. Because the future isn't coming. It's already here.